Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. This is part 2 of air in a system which has low flow rates on the top floor. So it looks as though we found the problem. The pump was not circulating the correct direction, it was circulating clockwise. So what that did is that had the pump sending the hot water back towards the water heater. So we were depending on gravity so that only people on the lower floors would receive good flow rates of hot water and people on the top floor would receive poor flow rates. They still had hot water, but yeah, people on the top floor didn't have quite the flow rates they needed to receive. So what happened is we have the phases inside here. So what happened is you have phase here, a phase here, a phase here and a phase here. They were the wrong way around, so what I do is I swapped live 1 with live 3, and then we have our pump circulating the correct way. So always double check that your pumps are circulating the correct way. All you have to do is turn the power off and turn it back on, and as you do that you'll start seeing that the pump is going the right way or the wrong way. So just monitoring our temperature on our gas-fired water heaters. As you would have remembered in the previous video, they were getting very hot, and that's understandable. And we have a new Flamco automatic air vent up here. This is the previous one, it's a new one, and there doesn't seem to be anything wrong with it. So we'll leave that here on site. Have good hot water return temperatures. Here's our return pump. So this is one of our rooms where we had really bad flow rate, and as you can see it's a lot better. Always remember to remove these if you're ever doing any tap flushing or leaving the taps to run, because you don't want them to overflow. You can't trust the overflow. So this is one of my rooms which, out of all of the ones that I tested, there was still one that had to play up, one room in particular. But when I went to check the shower in the same room, we had good flow rates from the shower. So we got hot water here because it's got a nice blend of hot and cold, so it looks like the tap is at fault. The tap is the problem. So yes, this particular tap here is going to need looking at. There could be a blockage. So continuing to monitor our temperatures here, because there's been a change in the system. Don't want anything happening, don't want them overheating, nor do we want them dropping too low because of Legionella. And still venting my pump a bit. Okay, thank you for joining me. Stay safe. Bye bye bye.